that thing is going to finally start getting its wide body done. Get these sanded and primed, and then tomorrow color clear. Depending what the weather's like, they could be dry to put onto there. Might be a bit hard to tell at the moment because it's so dirty, but you can see on the sedan ones, they come down, have that little lip out, and then go down. Wagon ones are just kind of like that smooth cut. Should give a little bit more of the aggressive look on the front, and then the rear section, that's for a later date. First step, once we get that back down, throw this down, clean those up. A long process of sanding. And it looks like it's been resprayed before because we got 2 coats of yellow here, so we're gonna try and take a lot of that off. So I'm going to mask up this piece here because I think I want that to stay black, and that kind of looks half decent anyway already, so whatever. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about my fog light covers or fog light holders. This plastic here is all pretty destroyed, and some of it there, it doesn't even have the black anymore, like it's cut all the way into the bumper. Don't wear a nice shirt because you'll probably get the primer crap all over it. Yeah, sanding down, wet and dry sandpaper, 320, get it all nice and flat, get all that orange peel out, any of the rough spots. And then we're good for some colour. Doesn't help much either. think that's the setup we're going to have for the colour. And clear, because I don't want to move it once we've started. That's how, you know the ground's wet. Final day of coating, final day of painting. I took the masking off here because I think I'll clear coat that as well at the same time. So. I forgot to put my mask on. Whoops. So it's been raining, which is a little bit annoying, but thankfully all the painting is done. So what we're gonna do, chuck this stuff on and then we're good. It will need a wet sand and a buff because of those little bits where the gun just kind of decided here's all of the paint. Mud flap has to come off. But to get the mud flap off, we need the wheel off, so we need the car up. I'm gonna need the fender liner for the sedans as well, because this one isn't gonna fit. Oh boy. So there's some bolts on the inside here, so that's why you need the light off. Bolt there. Bolt over here. And now we're going on to the stuff on the door. So there's one at the top and one hiding just down here. And there's also one underneath. So I gotta take off this little trim here. That clip's almost done. That one's at least holding something. That one's doing nothing. That one's doing nothing. That one's broken. So this should be pretty straightforward to get off. Ugh. I'm glad that one's connected. Where's the cord for that? My fog lights won't be able to go on. So my my alternative, I think this is garden edging. I'm gonna clean this up, spray it black, and then we'll hot glue it in place, and then it'll kind of take away how open this looks right now. And then I will try and sort out some kind of bracket to hold my fog lights back there. got some matte black spraying enamel. There's not much left in here, so I don't have any high hopes that it's going to cover it all, but whatever. Gonna drop it down, about to get our first look with it all roughly buttoned up to where it should be. I thought I was gonna have a lot more fender poke out from the wheel than what I do at the moment, but that's pretty close to where I'd want it to be anyway. But that's looking pretty decent. I think we're gonna call it there for today. Once I get some more stuff in, I'll keep doing some more work on it. So fog lights, bolts, fender liner, put the mud flaps back on, the new indicators, and then actually get everything set in place. Yeah, no, quite pleased with that. It looks better than it did before. It's so noisy on that back road at the moment. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll keep doing some more work on this once I get more things in. Hopefully finish it off and then go and get some nice photos with it, because I don't actually have any decent photos of this car because it's kind of always looked average.